Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Tarak Setup. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Chatgpt application for your Android device. To download Chatgpt application for your Android mobile phone is very easy. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile internet. So simply open up your Play Store and in the search box type Chatgpt and click on the search icon. Once you find the application and open this, then simply click on the install button to install the application. Keep one thing in mind that there is currently no ChatGPT standalone app for iOS or iPhone. ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. And with the ChatGPT for Android, you can enjoy enhanced feature and a more efficient and enjoyable chat experience. So basically, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that uses a powerful machine learning model to generate human-like responses to input text. It is designed to help users understand complex topics and improve their coding skills by providing real-time feedback and suggestions based on their input. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to simply open the ChatGPT application. And that is how you can easily download ChatGPT for Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you, so like this video and kindly subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye.